Hey guys! We're back with some more Disney Crossyroads. We did 10 of these from this full box for you before.
We did. So we're back with another 10 today. Hoping to maybe find some limiteds or some rares.
God, that Baymax was amazing last time.
That was fantastic.
If you haven't watched it, go back and watch the first video, certainly. So Disney Crossyroads, there's a chance at all kinds of different Disney shows, like Pirates of the Caribbean, The Lion King, just classic Disney figures, Finding Dory, excuse me. And it's just really a fun series. So I think we'll just get right into this one.
I think so.
This one's a good one for Moose Toys. Moose Toys, man, they really hit the nail on the head more often than not. Alright, there's a checklist.
Checklista. And who is hiding within the packaging today?
It's Mickey the Mouse.
Mickey the Mouse?
Mickey the Mouse.
Just standard old Mickey the Mouse?
Yep, straight up Mickey the Mouse.
Well, he is most certainly a common.
Yeah, he is. I think we may have gotten Mickey the Mouse before. Mickey the Mouse.
He is certainly just a classic character. Nothing wrong with some good old-fashioned Mickey the Mouse, though. Let's see. So I'm going to open up my first one here. You want one, too?
Sure, why not? Oh, Toy Story, that's another one.
Ooh! Punch the box! Apologies, people. Sending things flying as I try and open this little blue bag. Well, I've got Slink. I've got a Toy Story.
Slinky the dog.
And I got little Slink. He doesn't come with a stand. He'll stand on his own 4 legs.
He's so cute.
What's the rarity on him?
Oh, am I supposed to be looking
Little
at him?
Slink.
He is red.
Oh, so he's classic as well.
Is that what that means? No, white. Toy Story red. Oh, it's on the back. I was so lost. Okay. Number 3. Oh, the garbage after these videos, guys. It's insane. Ooh! 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 Ooh!
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Oh my god, yes. Because we got Simba and Nala last time. And this one is Scar. I got Scar. I'm so happy.
She's got Scar.
I love The Lion King
And
so much.
Scar is actually a secret find, so the only way to get higher than that is a limited edition.
Which we did.
We did.
That's so
we
cool.
did and do.
That's so cool. I love it.
The zebra is the limited edition for Lion King.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, so I'd say you are definitely taking the lead as far as cool factor today.
Woo! Dude, Timon in that hula skirt 8-bit style is just amazing, even on the checklist.
Yeah.
I would love to own
that. That one is pretty epic. Alright, looks like I'm sticking with a Toy Story theme here. I've got Rex. So there is Rex.
I love it. These are so cool.
Little Rex. Rawr. Hey. He's scared of Scar.
Well, he is a scaredy dino in all of the movies, too. Checklists everywhere. Oh, you know that thing I wanted? And the whole we're going for themes here thing?
Did you get a hula?
Oh, I got a hula dancing Timon.
A hula hula hula. A hula hula hula.
Oh my
if you're craving for a hunky piece of juicy meat.
Timon is also a possibility in this series.
Woo! So,
I'm so excited to have gotten those 2 Lion King characters. Lion King and Pirates of the Caribbean are the 2 I want the most. We're yet to get a single pirate.
oh, here is another classic. This one is Goofy.
I don't know if our kids are going to get any of the figures this week.
So we'll go ahead and put Goofy with Mickey. And they can stand there like little pals. There we go. Move Slink over with the Toy Story folks.
Did you look at... Oh, I haven't been checking your rarities for you. So.
Rarity was also just a classic on both of those.
Okay. Oh! You know what the theme is now? Chelsea getting what she wants.
Chelsea getting what she wants.
Yeah, this is the Commodore.
Pirates?
Yeah.
Ah. Commodore Norrington?
I'm pretty sure that's who that... No, that's Jack, isn't it? That's Jack.
That is Will. That's Will Turner.
Not Jack. Sorry, Will is what I meant in the first place. I don't know why.
That is classic Will. He is a classic rarity.
Classic means common. It's a shame my face isn't in this picture. My hair's fine.
Oh, some more pirates here.
Ooh, that's the one that doesn't talk, and he is also a common.
He is. It is Cotton.
This parrot.
Cotton and Cotton's parrot.
Cotton's one of my favorite characters from the movies. Looks like this is going to be a really quick opening video.
This is definitely a quick opening video.
Alright. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. What's it going to be? What's it going to be? Is it going to be a zebra? Is it going to be a zebra? Or pirate with pigs, which is this limited edition for Pirates of the Caribbean.
Pirate with pigs.
I only see one pig, though.
I know, right? Why does it say multiple?
No, this one is...
Is it pirate?
Yes, this one is Tia Dalma. This is the magic worker, I believe, isn't it?
I'm not sure.
I think that's... Maybe not. No, I'm a little confused and lost as to who she is. She's definitely from Pirates. So we have our first set of 3 from a single movie and 1 more.
Dun dun dun.
For today's video, we got 10 more in the box for a 3rd video for you guys.
Stay tuned for future viewings of that. Ugh. These little blue plastics are such a... Oh, we got another Toy Story. So we're going to have a Toy Story trifecta. We have the little blue Triceratops.
Named Trixie. And she is coming.
So there's little Trixie. She can stand over here with Rex. They're friends. They like each other.
Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing portion of this. I am going to pull the camera down and let you get a closer look at these guys before we say goodbye.
And, well, we still need to pick our favorites, too, I think.
Scar.
Well, you were definitely quick on yours. I think I'm going to go... I'm going to pick Will. I like Will.
That's pretty awesome. Okay, guys, I promised you a closer look at each of these guys. So here is Slink. We have Rex. These are just super cute. I don't play the game, and I might have to start just because seeing all of my favorite, like, characters in 8-bit is adorable. I don't know why I love it so much. And I'm not the only one. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but it's a huge thing right now to take 3D things that we've mastered with CGI and made beautiful and revert them down into 8-bit. Like, I don't know. I don't know. It's an interesting trend. I used to create graphics, pixel by pixel, all the time for my web pages when I first started designing. And it's really just, it reminds me of when I used to do that. I used to take so much pride in that. And now I'm like, oh my goodness, the things I could have done in Photoshop. Look at how pretty Scar is. I love that one. Timon is pretty awesome too. How detailed these get for being 8-bit. It's so cool. I really love the flower in his ears. Here's Will Turner. And Cotton. With his parrot and Tia. Okay guys, thank you for joining us for another Crossyroads opening. There's one more in store in the future. Please do subscribe the video, like, or comment if you enjoyed it. If you loved it, share it with your loved ones and spread the joy. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with us. We really do appreciate the fact that anybody sits down to watch our videos, and our subscribers especially make our day. So remember, you can make the difference in somebody's day by clicking a button on the internet.